Visitor Visa Canada. Everything you need to know to apply. Applying for a visitor visa to Canada involves several steps, including gathering required documents and completing the application process. Here is a step-by-step guide on how to apply for a visitor visa, also known as a temporary resident visa to Canada. Number 1. Determine your eligibility. Check if you are eligible for a visitor visa to Canada by reviewing the eligibility criteria on the Government of Canada's official website. Number 2. Gather required documents. Collect the necessary documents for your visa application, which typically include valid passport. Your passport must be valid for at least 6 months beyond your planned date of departure from Canada. Passport size photographs. Follow the specification provided by the Government of Canada. Completed application forms. You may need to fill out forms such as the Visitor Visa Application Form or IMM 5257 and the Family Information Form or IMM 5707. Proof of financial support. Provide evidence of sufficient funds to cover your expenses during your stay in Canada, such as bank statements, employment letter, or sponsor letter. Travel itinerary. Include details of your travel plans, including flight bookings, accommodation arrangements, and itinerary. Additional documents. Depending on your circumstances, you may need to provide additional documents such as a letter of invitation from a Canadian host, proof of ties to your home country, or a medical examination report. Number 3. Complete the application forms. Fill out the required application forms accurately and completely. Ensure all information provided is truthful and matches the information in your supporting documents. Number 4. Pay the application fee. Pay the non-refundable visa application fee as required. The fee amount varies depending on the type of visa and your location. Payment methods may include online payment, bank draft, or payment at the Visa Application Center or VAC. Number 5. Submit your application. Submit your completed application forms along with all required documents and the application fee to the appropriate Canadian visa officer or Visa Application Center. You may be required to submit your application online through the Government of Canada's official website, depending on your country of residence. Number 6. Biometrics appointment if required. Depending on your nationality, age, and location, you may need to provide biometric information, fingerprints, and photograph at a designated biometric collection point. Schedule and attend a biometrics appointment as instructed by the visa office. Number 7. Wait for processing. Wait for your visa application to be processed by the Canadian Visa Office. Processing times vary depending on the volume of applications and your individual circumstances. Number 8. Receive a decision. Once your application is processed, you'll receive a decision on your visa application. If approved, your visa will be stamped in your passport and you'll receive further instructions on how to travel to Canada. Denied, you'll receive a letter explaining the reasons for the refusal. Number 9. Travel to Canada. If your visa application is approved, make travel arrangements to Canada in accordance with your approved travel dates. Ensure you comply with all visa conditions and regulations during your stay in Canada. By following these steps and providing accurate information and documentation, you can increase your chances of successfully obtaining a visitor visa to Canada and enjoying your visit to the country. If the video was helpful, please like it, share it with your friends, and also subscribe to stay updated. If you have a question or would like advice on any other topic, write it below in the comments. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.